Welcome everybody, this is Cynthia Samson and you're watching my Arab News channel. So today's latest news which I have brought today, that is from Algeria. So rape and murder of a 19-year-old woman in Algeria sparks outrage. She was raped, she was beaten and burnt alive. So now the news in detail. The rape and murder in Algeria of a 19-year-old woman sparked cries for action on gender-based violence in North African country and calls to bring back capital punishment. The body of the young woman, identified as Shaima, was found in early October at a deserted petrol station in Thania, 80 kilometers east of capital Algiers. The suspect, who has reportedly confessed, is being charged with rape and voluntary homicide with premeditation and ambush using torture. Shaima's mother said the man was an acquaintance of the family against whom the young woman had previously pressed rape charges in 2016. The killing set off a wave of outrage on social media in Algeria, where internet users condemned the heinous crime and demanded justice, with many calling for the death penalty under the moratorium in the country since 1993. A message shared widely online reads, "I am Shaima. I was raped in 2016 and I had the courage to press charges in a conservative society. I am still Shaima. It is 2020 and I have again been raped by the same rapist who stabbed and burned me. Hashtag I'm Shaima." In a video that circulated on social networks and was picked up by a local TV station, Shaima's mother directly addressed Algeria's President Abdelmadjid and demanded the execution of the perpetrator. In many Algerians also took to social media in support of reinstating the death penalty. Execution should be applied to the killer to be an example for all those who think of doing the same thing, on Twitter user wrote. Another said, "We must open the debate on the death penalty. The monster who killed her has no place in society or in prison." But others in the country rejected execution as the best way to deter femicide, the gender-related killing of women and girls. Femicides Algeria, a group that tracks such homicides, said, "It is not through the death penalty that we will give her Shaima justice. It is rather the law that must be changed and applied." The activists have counted 38 femicides in Algeria so far this year. They recorded 60 in 2019, noting on their website that with so many cases going unreported or unconfirmed, the actual number is much higher. It is discriminatory and does not protect the most vulnerable. She added it was necessary to change mentalities and the judicial system for the psychological and legal care of victims, launch national awareness campaigns, open shelters and train the various institutions. The Free and Independent Women's Collective of Bajaiya, a city on Algeria's northeast coast, said Shaima's killing adds to the long list of femicide which continues to grow in the face of complicit silence, the justification of violence and the absence of real measures. To break the silence, the collective called for a protest on Thursday in Bajaiya. The calls for action and solidarity have spread across the country. The Algerian Women for Change Toward the Equality group also organized a rally on Thursday in Algiers to denounce the heinous crime that led to Shaima's death and those of 38 women killed this year. So this was Cynthia Samson. Keep watching my Arab News channel. Like this, we will be coming up with some more interesting Hindi and English news on this Arab channel. Thank you so much for watching.